Today, I will show you how to close your swimming pool like a pro. To winterize your swimming pool, you most likely will have to lower water level in your pool, and it depends on what type of pool cover you have. You may drop just a few inches or a whole foot. This pool has a solid, made out of rubber pool cover, so we will only drop an inch, maybe two, right below the skimmer, and that's where we will stop, and then we can install the cover later on. First, we will backwash the filter. To backwash the sand filter, we need to turn the power off, flip handle from filter to backwash position, turn it back on. Water level being right below the skimmer is exactly what we need for the type of the cover that we have, which is a solid Rubbermaid cover. We gotta remove the basket. In this case, it's really full, dirty. Now we will remove all the wall fittings. Now we are going to remove this rail. All the rails, pretty much, or the ladders, 9 out of 10, they use 1/2 inch. To close professionally a swimming pool, we will need rubber plugs. They come in various sizes, and we will insert them into the places where we had wall jets, skimmer. Device that we will be using today to blow out water from the pipes. It's a 3 horsepower blower. This one is called Cyclone Pro, and it has a lot of power to blow water from all the pipes underground. I attached the end of my blower to the backwash line. You can attach this to the skimmer, you can attach this somehow to the pump. You can even attach this to the wall return, but today with this application, I'm gonna attach this to the backwash line. I lift this handle up, so that allows my air to travel through the filter. This valve handle cannot sit down because then it will seal and will not allow my blower to blow its air. So this handle needs to come up and needs to rest on one of those plastic bumpers. From the pump, we need to remove drain plugs. Most pumps have 2 drain plugs. Here's one. And here's another one. See that? Little drain. And on the filter side, we need to remove this drain plug. Another drain. we remove the handle so nobody can accidentally open this valve during the winter months. And we put the handle in the pump with all the other plugs. We remove the plug. We pour half gallon of antifreeze down the pipe. Pour the other half on top of the plug. And we leave the bottle right here. Before closing any pool for the winter, we need to clean it. And this is how you close your swimming pool like a pro